Hi, and welcome to Introsoft Solutions video tutorial. My name is Nicholas Lee. In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade your apps from Crosslight 3 to Crosslight 4. At the end of July 2015, we have shipped the next version of Crosslight, Crosslight 4. In this release, we've included lots of major improvements in many areas, such as fail-proof data synchronization framework, view projection technology, crosslight charting, dialog presenter, barcode scanner service, logging service integrated with Azure Application Insights, round buttons, universal storyboard support, Visual Studio 2015 support, improved Crosslight project wizard, and much more. For the full release notes, check out the link in the description. So, what do you have to do to enjoy all this good stuff? Upgrading to Crosslight 4 is very simple. The full guide is available at the following link, and you can also find one in the description below. Upgrading to Crosslight 4 follows 4 simple steps. First, install the new Mobile Studio, resave the EDMX file, install and update NuGet packages, then finally replace the assembly with the new version. Well, let's get started. Here, I have a working My Inventory Web API sample that uses Crosslight 3. What I want to do now is to upgrade this working sample to Crosslight 4. I'm using Windows 10 and VS 2015 in this virtual machine, but this method will also work with earlier versions as well. First, let's install Mobile Studio 2015. The installer will automatically uninstall the previous version. Proceed with the installation. I will skip the installation of Xamarin platforms since I have already installed them in my computer. Let the installer finish. If you want to view the release notes, leave this checkbox ticked. Otherwise, let's finish the installation. Now I'll copy the working sample from Crosslight 3 to Crosslight 4. You've completed the first step. Let's move on to the second step, which is resaving the EDMX file. Let's open the sample. What we want to do now is open the inventory model.edmx file and simply resave the file. To ensure that the new model code is created, open the model file and scroll all the way to the bottom. You should find a new partial class called Entity Relations. This is the new definition that takes care even the most complex database relationship. You've completed the second step. Now let's move on to the third step. To do this, right-click on the Web API project and select Manage NuGet Packages. Search for Web API OData. Hit Enter. Install this version and let the installation finish. Repeat one more time and search for ASP.NET Web API. Click on Upgrade. To ensure that the NuGet installation went well, Check the web config file for the following new definitions. Now all we have to do is to replace the old assembly with the new v4 assembly. That's it, you're done. Now let's try to run the web API project, then run the sample. I'll leave the server running in my virtual machine and then use the Android project to access the server. I'll use the new Xamarin Android player. Meanwhile, you have to ensure that the IP address is correct. In this video, you've learned how to upgrade Crosslight 3 projects to use Crosslight 4. Now, you can start enjoying all the features available in Crosslight 4. All of our samples in the Git repository have also been upgraded to use the latest version of Crosslight as well. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a mail at technical@intersoft-solutions.com or access the Crosslight documentation in the Developer Center at developer.intersoft-solutions.com or raise a thread in our forums at intersoft-solutions.com/community/crosslight. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button.